Hey, welcome back, my dear friend. And in this great lesson, we are going to explain about how you can get premium hosting. And this is my personal deal. You will get 62% off. Okay. And I'm personally using Bluehost from 3 years. And why? Because great support and great security system. And once you host your website through your Bluehost hosting, then you don't need to worry about hacking and everything on extra. Okay, so I highly recommend you will access Bluehost, and if you have already hosting, that is good. You follow the next lesson, and you don't have and you want to start from scratch to through this website, then you can watch about how I buy bought hosting and domain. Okay, so we are going to for, give you examples and how you can buy hosting and domain. So first of all, I want to talk about domain name. So how you can choose a domain name, because a lot of way people using this another domain name. Okay, so here you can see this is one website, instant domain search. So you can get this website and find which domain you want to access. This that domain is available or not. So find your domain name like my example. And if you want to create a review website, you can see people just using their first name after them, this just uh, by reviews. Okay, so you can see Abhi reviews and SP reviews and Strict and reviews. So also you can use your first name, like my first name is Subhas. Okay, and review. So you can see this website is, this domain name is available. So what I need to do on here, simply go back on your lesson and click. You can see in the bottom, you got this yeah, domain searcher. So once you find your domain name, like you can enter your domain name, and once you click on here, then you will redirect to directly to Bluehost plan 1. Okay, and if you want to go manually, simply click on here, and you can find your domain name simply for a free domain name. You don't need to pay any fee for domain, and free SSL including 1 year WordPress installation and one click WordPress installation, 24 into hour support. If you want to want any support, simply click the chat and directly chat, and they will support you. And 3.95 per month, but I will share my secret how you can get more discount. So simply click on here, and the best part, 30-day money back guarantee, and you can take your time to read it and choose the basic plan. So if you want to host your you want to run your one website, then you should access basic plan. And if you want to access just plus, and even if you want to host unlimited website, you should go with it. But I recommend to you, you should access only one website if you don't have any website, and focus to building your one method to making affiliate commission. After then you can buy another hosting and another domain to host your another website. Also, if you're interested to buy unlimited website hosting, you should go with that. Is perfect. You don't need to spend extra money. Okay, so I'm going to select this, and yeah, just put your domain name on here. Okay, review, and click on here next. And maybe our domain name is available. So my domain name is available. So what you need to do, you can see 36 month you need to charge 3.5 uh, the, that and you simply click on here, and you don't need this, I don't need this. Okay, turn off. It is save your money. And here it is showing you need to pay $142. So how you can get bigger discount? Just a minute. So simply your cursor, you need to move on here, and you can see once you move on here, you will get discount. So uh, you don't without pick up this website, this domain, you don't need to move, okay, because you save a lot of your money. So what you need to do, simply click on here, okay, claim save, and it will refresh, it is refresh, and you will save a lot of money. I think you save $50 plus. So you can see on here $2, okay, for 36 months. If you want to host, I recommend you host your website for 3 years, and just uncheck, uncheck, and uncheck, and here you need to pay only $95. Okay, that is perfect. Also, if you want to host your website for 1 year, then you need to pay only, wow, $59. It is very cheap. You never get uh, know anyone hosting who offer you this kind of great deals. Okay, so you should need to pick up instantly and start creating your website. Okay, so simply what you need to do, click on here, say yeah, you just fill your credit card and debit card info. Maybe you need to have your international debit card and credit card, and pick up this hosting. Okay, and if you don't have any idea about how you can do everything, simply just search your review on here and click the check availability. Okay, and click that next. This is domain is available, so get it free on a new hosting account. Simply click on here, and it will redirect you to your checkout page. So you don't need to go and follow the hosting plan and everything. Also, you will get this discount on here. So here, this is same price. So what you need to do, turn off for 12 month. You can see 61, and once you just a minute, and once you click on here, you also get a discount. You need to because I already access this discount, so it is not showing a pop-up, but you will definitely get a discount uh, pop-up. Okay, so you can host your website. You can get this account, you can follow any, you can click on here, you can follow from here. That is perfect, you will get both. Okay, so access this. After then complete the checkout and finish this. And once you finish, after then I will meet you how you can create how you can install your WordPress to your website. Okay, so thanks for watching this lesson, and click the link below and put your domain name and search now and access, and I will meet you another lesson. Thank you.